Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
To fix PS4 controller connection issues, follow these steps. 1. Reset the controller using a small pin to press the reset button on the back. 2. Repair the controller by connecting it to the PS4 with a USB cable and pressing the PS button. 3. Restart your PS4. If issues persist, try a different USB cable or update the system software. These tips should help re-establish a stable connection.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.